Hey guys, so I'm just showing you how I got these curls. The first thing I did was blow out my hair. I used the tension method to blow out my hair, and then I'm taking a section and using my favorite paddle brush that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I'm taking my Bihh flat iron and doing one pass through my hair. And after I detangle it a little bit more, I'm going to do that first curl. I usually just work on the ends because that's where I want the curl definition, and I find that this is the best way to get this look, not starting from the root, because then you're going to have a whole head of really curly hair when really you just want the ends to be curled. So again, I'm just going through and I'm detangling, taking my Bihh flat iron and curling the ends. And the reason I do the one pass is because I don't want the hair to be super big. So doing one pass on blow dried hair makes the hair flat enough for me to have the desired style that I want. I hope this helps, and yeah, I love you guys.